Judaism. Founder was Abraham. He has many gods. The holy book is the Torah, and it started in Israel. There's a it's found today in Israel. Its time down was 2000 BC. The holy sites of Israel. Islam.
Islam. Founded by Allah.
Muhammad.
Muhammad.
How many gods have one god?
Muhammad only has one god.
Is it called Quran?
The holy book, the holy writing, it's called the Quran.
The town in Mecca. They say it started in Mecca.
It started in Mecca.
Time down was 600 BC.
The time it started was 6000 BC.
600 BC.
The holy city is Islam. Thank you very much.
Alright,
The holy city is Islam?
you just want to keep them. Just see it real quick. Time.
Hello, sir. How you doing? Good? I kill you.
It's fucking racist, dude.
Turn it around so I can see. Because you can see some. You look like a
Continue.
Hi. I believe in Christianity. Stop!
Continue.
Hello.
Our founder is Jesus. We only have a monotheistic religion, so we only have one God. Our holy writing is the Bible. We believe
Eddie.
we believe in love of God and people around you. It started in Jerusalem. It's found in most of the globe today.
Dude, stop.
I'm sorry, sir.
It was founded in 30 AD, and we only have one holy city, and that is Jerusalem. Press shutter.